Morning and welcome back to Greenstone Ivy. Hope everyone's well. It's Monday morning. Hope you all had a good weekend. We had a storm come through, so we had lots of floods. So we've been helping out people from around the valley with the flood water. But now it's Monday, back to work. So we're going to be making a millstone today. So we're going to be making a 500mm millstone by 50mm with a circular hole in the middle. It's 3/4 away finished in my stone building. I've just got to clean up the edges, put a hole through the centre, and then we're going to get it on my workbench and carve it. We're going to be carving the word Ashipton in there, and then we're going to be painting it. I'm not sure what colour we're going to be painting it. It was going to be black, then I think the customer saw a white one outside my workshop, so they spoke about that. I'm not sure which way they've confirmed it as yet, but we'll have a look at the paperwork as we're getting there. Right, I'm going to get my coat on and we'll get carving. That's another job all finished up. Just put the stone seal on, as you've just seen. It can make it look a little bit patchy, so if it's coming across on the video, that's why. It takes about 24 hours to fully go off and cure, so I'll rest this to one side and then we'll get that lovely buff colour back, and then I'll contact the customer to let them know it's done. If you could do me a favour while here, it's my elder sister's birthday today, Lisa. We're all meeting up for some cake, that's why I'm going to go home early. So if you could drop a comment in below wishing a happy birthday, I'm sure she'd really appreciate that. While you're there, if you could hit the subscribe button, I'd appreciate that. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Take care.